Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can create custom roles and manage permissions. First of all, click on your profile, then navigate to Settings. On the left, select Role and Permissions. Here you can create new roles and manage permissions. Currently, we have 4 distinct roles: Owner, Admin, Member, and Guest. On the left, there are different categories. Clicking on these will reveal a panel with various permissions. You can use these toggles to enable or disable permissions. Some permissions are locked by default. For instance, creating a workspace is by default only permitted to owners and admins, not to members and guests. And editing a workspace is by default allowed to the owner and the admin, not to the guest. For members, permission can be enabled or disabled. To enable this, click on this and then hit Save. Changes are now saved, and members will now be able to edit workspaces. To create a new role, click on New Role. Here you'll need to enter the role name. Next, you need to select a default role to inherit permissions from. You can choose Admin, Member, or Guest. Let's select Member. Depending on the role you select, certain permissions will be enabled or disabled by default. Next, enter a description. You can use these toggles to enable or disable permissions in the different categories. These are locked by default since we've selected Member as the default role to inherit permissions from. In the Workspace section, you can customize permissions for editing workspaces and inviting users to workspaces. For this role, we will disable these 2 permissions. You can also adjust all the other permissions as per your requirements. Once you're done, click on Create Role. Our new role is successfully created. You can now go to specific sections anytime to enable or disable permissions. That's how you can create custom roles and manage permissions. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.